Hello everyone, my name is Kumar Vivek and I am a serving civil servant with the Government of India. I must thank IS Baba for inviting me to share my 2 cents on civil services preparation with all of you. Since you have already begun your journey and are committed to invest your time and energy to crack the most coveted of all the examinations, that is the civil services, you must be pretty clear about the what and how of your journey. There's no confusion about what your goals are. You want to secure a rank in the civil services examination. There is no doubt in that. By this time, you have also sorted out the how of your journey. You must be having your daily schedule up to date, your books all ready, and your eyes firmly on the goal. Therefore, I'm not going to touch upon the what and how of your journey. I am more concerned about the why of your journey. Why is it that you want a career in the civil services? Why are you ready to invest the prime of your youth in preparing for examination that is exhausting and sometimes even depressing? Why some of you have left your high paying jobs and decided to enter a field that is not very famous for the remuneration that it offers? Why are you ready to put all these things at stake? Why? The question again, my dear friends, is why? Are these questions leaving you perplexed? Well, let me tell you just 3 things that should put your journey in the right perspective. First, your job as a civil servant won't be like any other job. You will be working for your country and for your countrymen. The decisions that you will take and the duties that you will perform will have far reaching impact. You will have the potential to positively transform the lives of many in the society. While charity, benevolence, philanthropy, and social service can be done even as a normal citizen, the civil services give you the power to plan and execute policies that you can yourself monitor very closely. The civil services provide you a platform where good intentions meet with capabilities and resources. If you are a well intentioned individual, you can bring in a lot of good in the society. If all of this gives you a kick, then you know why do you want to prepare for the civil services. Second, you get a chance to grow as an individual. You get opportunities to travel, interact with diverse groups of people, engage with public professionals of high intellect, get involved in public events, attend high value training, and whatnot. The government invests in you and grooms you to become a well rounded individual. Although you might get these opportunities elsewhere as well, the time taken to reach that level might be too long. If the idea of getting such opportunities at a young age thrills you, then you know why do you want to prepare for the civil services. Third, and this one is on the cautionary note, if you are infatuated by the cliched perceptions about the civil services like unbridled power, glamour, government bungalows, servants, cars, etc., then you might need to pause and think a bit about the why of your journey. While there is no doubt that you will be having a comfortable lifestyle, please don't have any expectations of luxury or a false sense of entitlement. The civil services in the 21st century is very different from its colonial past. You will be expected to serve people and not rule them. You will have to earn their respect and not command it. You will lead a comfortable but hectic lifestyle, wherein many a times you might be required to sacrifice the pleasures of your daily family life also. You will be held accountable for your decisions and actions. You will be under constant scrutiny by the public. By no means your job as a civil servant would be an easy one. But yes, it will definitely be satisfying. If you are ready to take on these challenges, then you know why do you want to prepare for the civil services. So, I focused on the why aspect simply because knowing the why of your journey will keep you afloat. Your civil services preparation would be a roller coaster ride. One day you will be ebullient, happy, the other day you will be sad and even depressed. One day you will be confident, the other day you will be not so sure. These emotions will play with you and make you nonplussed. But then, you just need to remind yourself as to why you started your journey in the first place, and I'm sure you will be back to normal, ready to take on the challenge with full energy, and enthusiasm. All the best for your journey.